Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the apps. So they are right here. Let's tap on it. Then we have to tap on this three-dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on Reset Up Preferences. And now your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.